Hello everyone, I am Dolar Paddhariya, a final year Btech student of Cyber Security Department from GHRCEM College of Engineering and Management, Pune. Along with my team members Prasann Bhatlawande and Vaibhav Tarte, we have developed a project titled as VR Cybercrime Scene Investigation Lab under the guidance of Professor Chiranjit Das sir, Dr. Deepika Azolkar ma'am, and our major project coordinator Rupali Parte ma'am. Our motivation to doing this project was a rising cybercrime and need for skilled professionals. Also, a problem statement was rapidly increasing cyber crimes and lagging experience in a practical way of cyber security and other things, which is becoming a reason behind layoffs and multiple job losing and somewhere properly handling cyber security cybercrime things. So we took this as a problem statement. This project brings together VR technology, cyber security and digital forensics to create immersive training environment. Instead of learning theory through books, user actually step inside cybercrime scene and perform the investigation themselves. So introduction of my project is currently rising cyber crimes too many, where whoever investigating or whoever handling that case, they needs a practical knowledge more. That's why so many people don't hire a freshers or don't take a risk to getting a freshers and not experienced people. So somewhere practical knowledge is becoming a key between getting a placed or getting hired and getting fired as well. So that's why this VR cybercrime scene investigation lab enforces and gives a platform to enhance their practical understanding with their simulated investigations and interactive things. In this project, students can explore virtual scenes, virtual crime scenes, then collect evidences, then digital evidences. Okay, cut here. Start. In this project, student or learner can explore virtual crime scenes, then collect evidences, then they can physical evidences collects, then analysis traces, logs, images and devices. It gives them a understanding and in-depth knowledge about how can scene handling could be done. Provides realistic and interactive VR environment for hands-on learning. Helps students to understand cyber attacks and learn effective response methods. We found some literature surveys where we got really good insights, but some was there only just have created their frameworks, or some have just created for particular scenario. So we took inspiration from them. How can we go ahead from their resources? Now let's deep dive into project more. So we have created this really good poster for our project, which contains abstract methodologies, block diagram and innovations and scalability as well. So let's go one by one. So cybersecurity is growing rapidly, yet forensic training remains mostly theoretical. This project includes a virtual reality based cybercrime investigation lab where user can enter immersive crime, collect digital evidences, analyze suspicious activities and generate investigation reports. This project allows practical knowledge which overcomes lag of practical knowledge and layoffs, whatever missing piece in current hiring system. Then we have used methodologies for like requirement gathering. We created 3 scenes where user can choose according his interest. Then environment setup, we used Unity and XR toolkit. Then evidence collection, we created props from Blender and that used in a project. Forensic analysis in Unity, email spoofing and hash verification, those things happens. Then scoring system, whatever time user taken, then whatever he performed in between that, how efficiently he performed, how many hints he took, those things matters for a scoring. And in behalf of that properties or that variables, we gives a feedback as well, and score to user and feedback where he has to improve. Then report generation, automatically report generates on basis of that, it gives a score which comes under scoring and feedbacks section. Then innovation, so first of its kind forensic training in VR. So mostly there are so many VR technology implemented applications, but not that much in cyber forensic or forensic trainings. We have implemented it. Then also simulated real world cyber crime scenario in it, fully implemented, like it is not just a framework or it is not just a thought, we have implemented it properly. Then it can be used, it can be scaled in a multiple police trainings and all. This is innovation which we can implement wherever it is needed, not just in a school or colleges. Okay, and it is gamified version which new generations attraction. Then scalability, we can implement AI and NPCs in it, that is scalable. And then yeah, we can integrate with real world case database. Then it can be deployed as a training simulations for law enforcement academies as well. So let's move ahead and let's see how project made. So here is Unity software and here is our project with the name of investigation lab. Here is our 3D model. See, here is 3D model which is created from a Blender. Those are computers and all things you can see here are made by Blender. Here are the UI which are made by Canvas, and here are hint system. Now you can see here a blue thing which is a surface for a teleportation. Now user or XR avatar teleports or moves, okay, in this project. So only in this blue area user can move, not everywhere with their controller. So that's why we have set this nav mesh here, nav mesh with their height, width and broad and all the things. We have to bake it. So this is one of the important thing in our project which allows user to teleport and movement locomotion. Okay, after that we have created those things. Okay, one of the best thing is here, one of the important thing is here avatar, which is XR avatar, which allows user to see in XR devices. So here are XR avatar which implemented using XR development toolkit and XR interaction toolkit. So here are that avatar. We have implemented XR origin things, and then character controller, whenever it moves it should be in physical movement enabled. Now here you can see some objects like MacBook. Here is a camera, and here are pen drives. We have to bring it, we have to grab it, and we have to put in this evidence box. That is one of the interaction here. After collecting all those evidences, it goes to next scene, which is analyzing scene. Here people analyze. We have to put this pen drive into PC, then performs few things. So mainly I am using Unity scenes, 5 Unity scenes here. Here are index wise their implementation. 0th scene will call first. So zeroth scene is case selection. Here are three options. User has to select one. So that is this scene for that. Now let's check actual output.
Welcome, investigator. Your mission today is to solve a series of cybercrime cases. You will examine digital evidence, analyze clues, and make crucial decisions to solve each case. Every correct decision earns you points, while mistakes will reduce your score. Please select a case from the list to begin your mission. You can choose any case in any order. Good luck.
Let's start by turning on the lights, ensuring everything is visible and ready.
Welcome to VR Cybercrime Scene Investigation Lab.
Your mission in this scenario is to search the room thoroughly. Collect every piece of evidence you find and place it in the evidence box provided.
Understand the basics of digital forensics in 5 minutes. Did you know, in 2021, organizations experienced 50% more cyber attacks per week?
Some items are still uncollected.
Research.
Focus carefully and make sure no evidence is left behind.
No matter how strong your defense systems are, you are still at risk of cyber attacks in today's world. Organizations that are targets of cybercrime need cybersecurity experts to gather and analyze digital evidence to be used in a court of law.
Some items are still uncollected. Focus carefully and make sure no evidence is left behind. Well done! With all evidence secured, it's time to analyze the suspicious USB drive. Some items are still uncollected. Focus carefully and make sure no evidence is left behind. Now, let's proceed to analyze the collected evidence, starting with the USB device. Always before proceed further, create backup of available data in devices. Now, open Analyzer tool on desktop. Now select your USB device and click OK. Now you have all USB entries, match with crime performed time. Check for any in or out entry with this use at the time of crime happened. Great. Now if entries are matched, generate report with evidence of USB entries and submit. Perfect. Now let's look into feedback and score you got for this task.
So here are some achievements